In this tutorial, we will explore how to give your video and photo production that professional lighting that you always wanted. We recommend that you check out Kerast ring lighting for all your lighting needs. The 3-point lighting involves using 3 light sources in 3 different positions. By playing with the distance, intensity, and angle of the Kerast ring lighting, you can control how light and shadow falls on a subject and create that mood and definition that you always wanted. The 3 types of lights are key light, fill light, and backlight. A key light is the primary and brightest light source. We recommend that you place this 30 to 45 degree angle to the camera. It illuminates the subject and put it in focus. The fill light is the secondary light, and its position mirrors the key light on the opposite side. Setting a dim fill light will create a high contrast, giving it a film noir shadow, while a bright fill light will even out the shadow ratio, resulting in a more even balanced look. The third and final light is the backlight. As the name suggests, this light is positioned at the back. It creates a rim and highlight the outline around the subject, giving it a sense of depth. You can try aiming this at a wall for a soft backlight, or aim at the subject but out of frame to give the subject a high contrast. This tutorial is sponsored by Kerast. For more of your lighting needs, check out our website www.kerast.com.